Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and it's giving you an F22 error and you're wondering how to get rid of this error and get your washer working again. So first of all, the F22 error is an error with the locking mechanism. So this error, like a lot of these errors, could be anywhere from something physical to something with the sensors, to the wiring, all the way to the control board, but we're going to start with the most simple thing that might be causing the problem if you're getting this error, and that is your door might actually not be latching or locking properly because of some kind of physical issue. For example, you want to look in here and make sure that there's no lint or just gunk or grease or anything like that inside the hole or on the actual latch or anything like that that could be preventing it from physically latching. So that's the first thing. The next thing is you can look in here and just make sure that nothing looks broken, or make sure everything is moving, all the little pieces are moving freely in there, and hopefully you'll be able to get rid of the error doing that. The next things that you could do beyond that get a little bit more complicated. You could just unhook this and make sure that the wiring is all hooked up properly and everything like that. There's nothing frayed, there's nothing damaged or corroded or anything like that, or disconnected or loose. And then it could really be any wire. If it's not that, it could be any of the wire or anything that going all the way to the control board, a sensor. But actually what I would do next is the easiest thing would just be to replace the locking mechanism. It's kind of the easiest and cheapest thing to do, and next thing to do. Anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.